For the next set of tools, we need to open the file called 2.jpg. Just drag it into Photoshop. We are going to learn about the magic wand tool. The keyboard shortcut for the magic wand tool is W. And if you click and hold, your Photoshop might show this tool, which is the object selection tool. The magic wand tool is the one on the bottom. First things first, we want to go ahead and select the cow. And notice I clipped a little bit of the tail off accidentally, so I'm going to move it over. Command C to copy, Command V to paste. And again, notice it created a new layer. I'm going to call the layer cow. Select my move tool. Keyboard shortcut for the move tool is V. And I'm going to drag it over here. Next, I'm going to take my magic wand tool and I'm going to click the sky. Notice my tolerance is 88 and that is too high. Let me zoom in. I'm going to change the tolerance to 44. Hit return on my keyboard and now I'll come and select it again. And that's better. You can see it's not selecting parts of my cow. Holding the shift key, I can select more. Notice it selected part of the cow this time. So, and I don't want to do that, so I'm going to change my tolerance to 33. There we go. And now I can come here and click this button right here. This is the layer mask to mask out the cow. Notice it inverted it, so I'm going to do Command I to invert it. And then having the mask selected, I have to paint with, since the mask is white, I have to paint with black to mask out the grass. I'm going to grab my brush tool, right click, make the hardness larger, and I'm going to just mask out the grass and this line. So all I have left is a flying cow. So there we go. Again, the mask tool, if you right click, disable layer mask, you can see it doesn't delete anything on the layer. It just masks it out. I'm going to Command Z to undo that. So go ahead and take a screenshot. To do a screenshot, Shift Command 4, and then upload it to eCadence from your desktop.